The most important church in the city of Parma is its cathedral, or its Duomo. It was built at the end of the 12th century and is dedicated, like most cathedrals, to the Virgin Mary. It is a Romanesque structure in style, which is relatively plain on the outside, except for that beautiful central portal, but it hides a great deal of decoration on its interior, including one of the most important fresco cycles of the Renaissance. Parma Cathedral has a Latin cross ground plan. That means a lowercase letter T. And the longer arm, or the nave, is divided up into 3 aisles, the central being the widest. You can see rounded arches all around, typical of Romanesque architecture, and the presence of a matroneum, or women's gallery, up top. The presbyterium, which is the area reserved for priests, is raised up. Underneath it is a crypt, which is suggestive of the underworld. But the most important thing about Parma Cathedral is the extraordinary fresco cycle that you can see inside of its dome, which was painted by Correggio in the 1520s. After blowing everyone away with his illusionistic dome in the nearby church of San Giovanni Evangelista, Correggio was hired by the canons of Parma Cathedral to decorate their dome as well. The result was this spectacular di sotto in su, as the expression goes. That is the illusion that we're looking up at figures appearing as if they're standing on top of a transparent plane of glass. And you can see the excitement of the apostles on the lowest level as they stand in front of this fictive balustrade with real windows. And then these various levels of figures who ascend upward. The Virgin Mary tucked into that crowd on the altar side of the dome, and at the very, very pinnacle, this ambiguous figure, who some identify as Jesus Christ, others as an angel, descending to, in fact, then take Mary, body and soul, up into heaven. It is one of the most spectacular works of art of the Italian Renaissance.